Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Shine all day, roll on by. The car show guy, camera high. Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Small town pride, big town shine. Letting classics take their time.
Jim here, the car show guy. Today I'm in Mecosta, Michigan at the Stars and Stripes car show. This is July 4th. Happy July 4th, everybody. We're here. It's another hot one today. We're getting little sprinkles of rain, but I don't think it's going to stop us from having a good time here. So we're going to be walking around showing you everything they got. Again, I made another custom song for this show, so make sure you listen to this while it's the show. The cars are, as you're watching the cars go by. I'll get it out. So enough of me talking, which I can't do anyway, so let's start walking.
Mecosta morning, throttle in the air, flags on Main Street, red, white, blue everywhere. Chrome in the sunlight, candy paint asleep. Old Ford grins while the whole town peeps. Hear that engine bark, feel that county spark. Everybody turns around when the rumble hits the ground. Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Shine all day, roll on by. The car show guy, camera high. Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Small town pride, big town shine. Letting classics take their time. Rows of Chevys lined up neat and clean. Mighty mopers glowing like a dream machine. Kids on the curb, hands full of lemonade. Old timers nodding at the sound they made. Hear that engine bark, feel that county spark. Everybody turns around when the rumble hits the ground. Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Shine all day, roll on by. The car show guy, camera high. Mecosta stars and stripes. Mecosta stars and stripes. Small town pride, big town shine. Letting classics take their time. Black top trembling, hearts awake, tail fin dreams.
All right, some of you may have known that I sold my old 54 International pickup last fall. And so this is the first outing for my new car. It's a 66 Chevy Custom Corvair. This was built by Gene Winfield. If you don't know who Gene Winfield is, he did a lot of custom cars for like RoboCop and Batman and those types of Hollywood type of movies. So this is a fully modified 66 Corvair. The difference here is it's an open air coupe. It has no roof. It's an automatic on the floor. And he stuck I'm going to walk around here and get a better picture of it, but it's got a 425 Buick nail head in the back seat. So it's got a little bit of get up and go. Makes a lot of racket, which I like. And it has the custom wheels. I mean, every part of this car has been touched. Custom tail lights. And I'm going to go back over here because my folder shut down, but I actually have a picture of Gene. I don't know if you can see it well enough or not, but there's a picture of him signing the dashboard in there. So this is my 66 Corvair, and we're going to be taking it around to all the shows and just see how well it goes with the judges. Got a 66 Ford Fairlane GT with a 390 underneath the hood. It's another warm day here in Michigan. I'm in Mecosta, Michigan today. It's another blistering, going to get up to 90 degrees in here. All right, bucket seats, 4 on the floor. This has got a really nice paint job on it. Trunk is clean. So, beautiful car. 67 Ford Mustang. And it's got a 390 underneath the hood. Now my camera is not going to do this paint job justice, but it's got a beautiful paint job on this. Kind of metallic blue. Automatic on the floor.
Hello, everybody. My name is Dave Platt. I am four-man DJ service. Welcome, everybody, to...
All right, 69 Camaro with 327 underneath the hood. 4-speed on the floor. Nice bronze color. Nice little setup in here. Yep, nice car. I'd put it in my garage. 67 Dodge pickup. Looks like original engine underneath the hood there. But it's got a fresh paint job on it. Looks like they might have done some work on the interior.
Right out.
And he's got all of his American flags out, being the 4th of July today, honoring the veterans. Okay, a 69 Chevelle with a 396 underneath the hood. This belongs to my friend of mine, and he's actually got 2 of these, but this is the one he takes to most of the shows. And it's a beautiful car. 4-speed on the floor, SS package. '55 Chevy with a 355 underneath the hood. And this has got a beautiful paint job on it also. I know you get tired of me saying that, but it is got a lot of nice paint jobs here today. Bucket seats. Automatic on the floor. Right, we got a Mustang sitting here. It's a 2015. It's a Roush version. There's a Coyote underneath there, 5.0. It's got a deep purple paint job, but it's got the front end is in carbon fiber. You tell me whether you think of that. And it's got stick on the floor. Another Mustang here today. This one's a 66. And it's a convertible. We're just kind of watching the weather today. It looks a little dark, a little chance of rain rolling in. We're going to watch for that because my car is a convertible too, and I got to make sure get out of here before the rain gets too hard. Okay, got another Mustang. This is 1974 Mach 1 with a Twister edition. Now, I've seen this at a show before, so I had to go home and do a little research on Twisters. And it was basically a dealership out west. I think the number was 500 of these cars. They took and did some special options to them. I don't remember what the options were. And they put that Twister emblem on the side, so that's what made it a Twister. And they, of course, jacked up the price on them.
Eyeball.
Okay, we got a couple of Dodges sitting here. This is a 73 Duster with a 340 underneath the hood. Automatic on the floor.
I'm ready.
And we roll over, and the same guy owns both of these. This is a Plymouth Barracuda fastback. Automatic on the floor on this one too. The 273 underneath the hood. Well, this Corvette is lifted, obviously. It's at this show every year. I never see it at any other shows but this one. It's got a 350 underneath the hood. It is for sale. I'll get up here Show you the sign, $11,000. I went for this lifted Corvette.